Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some fire starters. These fire starters were sent to me by Walden Backyards. They saw my Stoker Poker video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it in the description. They saw that video and wanted to send me a few of their products to review. They did not tell me anything to say, and if you like the product, you'll use the code ROAR15 at checkout, and it comes with free shipping in the US. This is the SureFire Fire Starter, made right here in the USA, in Minnesota. They made it with all natural material. This is a fiber cup, and they made it with a flat bottom so that you could set it right in the fire to ensure it doesn't flop over and you can get your fire started. There are also wood chips and paper strips in the middle. The paper strips are covered in a wax, which allows you to light it even when wet. And I did actually do a test of that. We'll take a look at that footage. I took a brand new fire starter, held it under the water, then let it float back up to the top, and I lit it. And I was actually really impressed that it lit so well, but that goes to the wax covered paper strips. They have a nice woodsy scent. You can smell it right when you open the bag, and Walden Backyards says that these will stay lit for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need any kindling or other accelerants to get this going. You just light the edge and let the fire starter do the rest. Before we start the fire, I just wanted to talk about my first impression when I opened this bag. They're actually pretty big, and you get this whole pack, which is a 24 pack. And I thought that these cups were honestly so cute and adorable. And what immediately came to my mind is to take these and put them in little gift bags to hand out for birthdays or holidays. And I think that anybody you give this to, along with some other camping items, would probably really like this. So now we will get to the fire. Okay, it's windy, and it was actually sprinkling a little bit earlier, so I mean, that is like nothingness. That started so well, and that is a huge little fire going. This wood is huge. We'll let that go and see what we're working with. I have a feeling that is going to grow very large. You can hear the crackling already. How long has it been? 2 minutes? 2 to 3 minutes? Wow, that works really well. And before I catch on fire, we will end the video here. I am very impressed with how big this fire got and how quickly. If you like this product, remember the 15% discount. And if you like this video, I hope you'll stay tuned for more, and I will see you in my next video. Okay. Okay, this is a little bit, oh no, oh no. Get up. Please, 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 please don't catch my hair on fire, please. Oh gosh, let me get out of here. Okay. Doobie doobie doo, oh Lila Lou, I love you.